was for high Ghana TVGH. Message or like, a comment, subscribing, then no notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. It was for any me one day beer. Me name Jihun Kra. Yeah. Now, sometimes on NPP party nankasano. I say book long ni book law kradodo. Right? Sometimes it not seem to be something who say, and the way there are a lot of intellectuals, our NPP more, ye boast say we have a party of intellectuals and cool. No? A blessing and I say a curse in disguise. Because Oko NDC more is more like a yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. As I'm saying, most of the dodo now NDC for grassroots there, they are not learned. But NPP, you always find dissenting views. We better say they be on ye, we be yin who frame, we better say on back with, and that has been one of the issues our MPP facing. NDC for koya there, omuni na almost sorry preko no mukoye. Uko bisanso ombe yi wanu say yes, yen na ye. Obia yin who frame. That's how NDC for omoya idea. And when you look at how they were in opposition under Akufo-Addo, they gave a very solid opposition to MPP. Yeah, really kept MPP on his toes. To the extent, say, omutimi yes, pushy one of their own to become Speaker of Parliament. All the while, bear at the glaring side of NPP for. Now, see our MPP as an opposition. We are doing everything possible, say, we want to return to power as soon as possible. And Nkrofobiti say, Honorable Patrick Boamah. Me, I respect Honorable Patrick Boamah so much. I respect him so much. I know, and people have said that indeed, Honorable Patrick Boamah, no, he has presidential ambitions. We've been told. And we are seeing the trend of things, we can tell, say, indeed, no, Opeso Beye Mampeni, and that's Opeso Beye flag bearer of MPP. But you see, you cannot serve two masters, Honorable Patrick Boamah. Only me, you can't serve two masters. You can't be in the good books of NDC and then the same you want to also be in the good book of NPP at the same time. They are our opponent. Yes, I have my learned friend, my learned colleagues. Where now yes, I na call opposition. Now I about opposition. Now minority for more appointment committee. Almost see. So Chief Justice nominee, they don't support the nomination. Esan say the way NDC for the a year friend saying my araba every akunyano sono and yet the proper way. Moreover, and same bebre our Supreme Court are pending verdict. At the other namu trainer Supreme Court a year determination or where now say Maminu Luzia. Then you bring someone else. And yes, sir. And this MPP4 decided say they will walk out of the appointment committee hearing. And no sorry free. Then just the next day, what we see is say Honorable Patrick Boamah Facebook page. Now I post say appointment committee, Omujuma, they have vetted the Chief Justice nominee that God should grant them wisdom and something in how to move. No. Oh, so I did our posting, NDC for FIA, they are used to insult Afenyo Market. The Ashanti Regional Minister. Well, it's what he posts, or the propaganda. These things are not the things that we need. Even if you disagree with Afenyo Market approach, Krana, openly, you don't do that. You don't do that. You never see an NDC person coming to do this. Who be that? But unfortunately, some of our bosses, our seniors are engaging in this. And what message are you sending to us? You are not united. You are not ready to take the blame for on behalf of the party. Then how do I take a blame on behalf of the party if you are not willing to? I think some of these things they say we have to rethink and relook. Maybe I don't qualify to give you an advice, but I'm just telling you what my mind, my young mind, my immature mind thinks. It's up to you to take it. Hi, Ghana TVGH. Let's go and see what the citizens have to say I will see you in the next one.
Oh, I'm share. I'm ready see you know. If it's a minority party no. I'm share be and free. I'm abakosem. Oh, I'm share. I'm share na. I'm share in temwa ebeboa. See, one of the problems are NPP and the boycott of 1992 Parliament. And my Parliament is one-sided. And my new man and Semfata. Of course. Yeah. I feel 96, no. I know say, yeah, mistake. Almost I say day, yes, or more. Obama no na Juma DB and our secos. Yes, 13 or 14 Chief Justice nominee. Now, Article 144 CD. Yeah. One, the Chief Justice shall be appointed by the President acting in consultation with the Council of State and with the approval of Parliament.
Yeah.
So, Bafu Boni, President appointing
Appointed.
on appointing. Council of State for what is on Mabeka President and goes out to we first 2 leg. And all fulfill the constitutional mandate. You didn't be see when you say Monto Tonano.
You didn't bet na.
You didn't bet na when you say Monto Tonano. What yeah? Totonano. Na minority leader ne minority for no. Eh, nipa na you didn't. Ozi ya gaze. I bet na when you say Totonano na almost omudie. Oba he maybe wa friend tokono. Omo be kono ne ntoko ama no na so na eye tokono ne ye be di ne ho nkomo ana. You see this honorable tie on to me nkogina ba bia nyese. In fact me who will be the first person to go to court say I saw represent only NDC members in his constituency. He is an MP for Christ's sake for Esunafu North. I mean, UP, United Party members, they expect an equal treatment for him.
Yeah.
And the questions are minority for no, also Mukobusano. Omu Musama MPP for. Oh, Busama party bia. I won't put empty. I fenya no di woman, you use as an example. Susiam pass, I fenya person catch say. So Kujira station will win it back. I know board they will say. Me kwaku ya the Chief Justice nominee ba o weni ba mai me kwa ma me musa question come nya be ka say mu musa question. So what it means is say we're disappointed the constituency.
How
wanya adwuma e wo so omo expecting say dey oye essence o hwe omo ankata kasa out of officer parliamentarians when omo ka kire you ya yi omo atumu a or say I no about Solomon Usu. Having been elected a member of Parliament, do in the name of Almighty God swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana, as by law established, and that I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. Some Constitution also be defended. That's our Constitution. Also, Article 144. Na catch say Omampeni Ebobo be the agenda to say Chief Justice.
Yes.
Now one
support
Ose
omo support kwa zino mujitum
ose also otutuna o asem bia no obusa
nasa woni ekofo bia bro se obusua pani a obegye mo
da bi tie de make you eno kire busua pani ne ba o de ba me betutuna no me ma ne nko se
me de o kan de otuna no na nya kro be wi amasa
da bi se otutu no na nya no wa throw report na se we o man tutuna no o le ma me nwie eno nti afenyo first of all wo ni minority fo nyira mo anko ankohia mo constituency ene o mo kura ningita ho questions o se mo busa mo ko ya na mo se mo de mo pem mo mpe
yes
mo ko mo ba be 4 years time me ka che Ghana fo nyina so mo vote ntia all the 87 members
nya no kura
wo mo ntu o mo nya na United Party United Party say ya ya in the year 2012 ya got to about we no sabre na mo MPP mo MPP nya 122 members of Parliament
yes
ana omo ya adwumaden by 2016 ye koto aba no no manya 169 members ewie no mutiri we omo de sa nyoma se ye boycott ni aye press conference boycott
so there's a difference between boycott and a walkout
and by 2020 no na sa nyoma we ye no omo ye na so ati aba 137 ana omo sa se bio boycott press conference press release walkout by 2024 year na we got to obey now from 137 as well shim aba 88 until move you started this year January ba and a walkout and a press conference walkout press and jam so be test on ba ko pe ye mamu buy election ba ko pe e wa ketia and also e so akotia ba 87 do you munya won ma say you aba yeah, members.
Now some now we crowd the party. Mo ye adwuma men.
Yeah, the United Party ye adwuma. I don't say ye adwuma. I take this exception to this statement. Malicious. Say me your political party. Me ka who ye responsible.
You speak the same language. When I posted the flyer over
Article 41.
Why 2 NDC against
and you the one I challenge you to show me. I challenge you. I show me.
David, solo or a united
party. Communication director.
He sings the same. Which
Me-
I don't have a problem.
no.
I don't have a problem.
But
Communication wise,
if two bears sing the same song, it doesn't.
That's
make
how we
the
a
same.
political party.
Jose,
If
Now
two
let me
bears-
But when they are feathers are the same.
na kasa first.
When they have the same
Jennifer.
feathers.
Jennifer.
the same feathers.
Na kasa first. Ano obabeji 2 more na so ne me or so
But
don
them say
UP
they don't
na.
hear Juma Cross.
That's why OUP.
until-
That's not kasa OUP.
When you UP, so me wa bem na mo
Na
catch.
e ja brebe emre do wa ba wa gi me se betu ya OUP. O better give me
Solo
time.
the more
No
you
problem
say.
say. No problem say. Obama.
Head to us.
Edra mu carry program na live.
Yeah. I'm on for be share.
Mo
Oníbẹ̀rẹ̀
mo yẹ live.
Yeah, fine.
Sɛ meba be ye program a. Mo rate card na say 1 hour ye just say.
Depending program.
Depending program.
Enti enra de omo ye ya first 2 hours afenyo de be ebe waste your time. Hwɛ the constitution
Una ye waste man.
Article 41 F
Yes.
was say your friends obligations and the duties of every citizen.
Yeah.
Also to protect and preserve public property and expose and combat misuse and waste of public funds and property. And the afenyo LED or man nyina akoye and say was say public funds.
But ne minority for the trustee in
Ha,
what?
tie de Patrick Boamah ma kan up here.
What's that?
Ma main country Patrick and ye say moye fine brains. Do not allow yourself to be misled by afenyo.
Patrick one more cry.
Because gradually almost say Patrick mo political career.
One more.
But
I'm surprised.
the bet ya boy Patrick
No,
say
listen,
wo nya no mo ntwe mo mra UP mo say no mo guase ho tie de Patrick kan ho he
Mami tie Patrick.
and then the Facebook post was say wa bu o say on Monday the 10th of November 2025 the appointments committee fulfilled its oversight mandate by vetting Chief Justice nominee Justice Paul Bafuboni. May God grant us wisdom and strength as we work diligently
Now,
for God and country.
They are now upper train.
Your upper train, you know, say, only so far as is concerned, no, Parliament of Ghana or move vetting nominee no perfectly.
O man fulfill your
man
mama.
fulfill Patrick any.
He's entitled to his speech.
And that you the
And also cry a lawyer. So
was it Nyamisa Emma Wamusian who nyan sanya gene or ka we kasanju. Some mama me sorry papa penny at some yama clefie some me kwa parliamentary work. No mo say parliamentary decision. Ya sorry. Abra Bafuboni me what and somewhat
according to Patrick, you know, so are you part of the appointment committee?
Yeah.
yes.
We're part.
And was say they have fulfilled their mandate.
Absolutely. But
They are work out, sir.
no, the omuka ye no, the all can you say, the uncalled for what interpretation to so.
Interpretation.
Freedom of speech you have.
What kind of for price here for not interpretation?
Oh, really? NPP
Former MP Benito
Adioma.
What's the
Nti aye obiana
Oh, of course.
Adia na omu ye no. Adia na omu ye no. Afenyo Ede adodo brand Habib Ngwande so but omo ma kenyi omo. Because Bafuboni obi ni wa raise issue of competence.
Exactly.
Samu say omo dia.
Yes.
Ene na ye kan ho asem.
Obi anka to.
But obi a one party emunipa orakufo ene appointed no.
So the only problem I say.
Yeah, but for
2013 election committee, election petition. Vote Atuguba 2012-2013. Atuguba ma you know. No account be. I want to my you know. Your friends there am.
I na ya dey.
And na eya no cross.
Imam na wo ka say.
Election
problem I don't know.
Election petition yenya mienu.
Yes.
Since say start here for dispensation. Ba akwa ma MPP. Ba akwa ma NDC.
Yes.
Judges for net 2 years. That mean said the obeto tia bia. I don't hear the merit of the case.
Obama yeah.
On a catcher.
20
Wouldn't na di.
Let's
2012. Abra Uraba Omiakotana Dakem say you and I were not dead. What I must say, or say, come Pama and be free inside.
On Kaba, na Adiana Peso can. wan ka ba wo ya so na ke nso
da wo ba ye wo be boko le kele de kutia kutia wo bo cha kele di wa pa
ongo ka ta ya
deliver
o ma fa so ma modo taba wo miadi group ni trust no ma do taba wo miadi Binya so be so na nim de te
da le wo ju ta ma e di deliver de ma onya azo yeah, Tuesday on. Make time ni nyina. Because je we nya balance anso no.
On say on can the all can be ba o kan ba omi ase.
Say fact.
Enti ba omi afri hin wo be wura.
The make can say na o
ya na wo
na ba fuko no o ka say 2012 2013. O say 2012 petition no. Ah o ma ana make say 2012 2013 cha petition. Say ba fuko ni anto ama Ekufodo ene na yia na odi essence nipa na okogina adaka mu o say you and I were not there uni ho na na dance pumu na wudi ade ni see uni ho
but Solo, the point is that Enra based on the workout
yes
the appointment committee has done their job or they've done their job
yes
so there's nothing to discuss about say Baumia Echo 2012 na obi anko kan sa de
David ya work and there no Obama one of the reasons Obama unless you person ebu enigu so ebeye dey pa na the senior most judge or Supreme Court na ye tumi jump to obi abetra
okay so there's the assembly nyina na say na nka aduru ne so na ye kofa maame na ye yi no
yes
e buy is that what
David yes America the American say say bafu boni ma be tell you bafu boni no wo ho ansa all the other judges eba
okay
Anna,
so a senior most
no senior most Anna obia so nka say onye competent that's why America some people say
so nobody brought his competence
absolutely it means so competent enti e die de bema wo de ye nyina ye deductive reasoning say e die ne bema obi a oye senior most yan question the competence na afi edu say ye be yi obi a be jump no wo betua trace back say e bia okoto abetia ya banti ye fi so on
I know the one that can
oh that is the
Supreme Court judges no there's nowhere ubenya obi a say obi amra wo side but o team
e didn't tell me jump no